Okay, I'm gonna do a step-by-step process on how I do my training for the envelope strategy. So what I'll do is I'm actually gonna create a 10K demo account. Okay. So for this one, for every pair, I won't do any more than 5 trades of 0.5. Okay. So I'll go over here, Forex, and I'm just gonna add my favorite pairs. Let's see. I don't like to add the NZD and the CHF ones. Okay, that's enough. All right, and then what I'll do, I'll start with the very top one, and then once you have your envelope settings set up, I'll start with the daily. So Euro USD, I'm analyzing Euro USD. So as you see right here, the very end of here, let me zoom in. Okay, I'll do a screenshot so I can draw. You can see how it's curving down. So we're looking at, I'm looking for sells. The reason why I'm looking for sells when I'm starting on the daily, because at the end of the day, if I don't catch any profit, if you do a little swing trade, at least it'll eventually go down with the next 6, 7, 8 hours, however long. You're just gonna go for 40 points, okay? But I want to make sure that all time frames are trending down before this would be a good candidate for me to place a sell trade. So the daily, we're on a downtrend. The 4 hour, okay, we're trending down. 1 hour, no, that's trending up, as you can see. Hold up, let me do a screenshot. Okay, right there, you see how it's kind of curving up. No, I want it curved down. So I'll go back to that one. Let's go to GBP USD. Okay, what does that look like? It looks like, let me zoom in. It's kind of consolidating. Let's go on the 4 hour. Okay, it looks like we're going up. 1 hour, we're up. So we're looking for all bullish trends. So I'm zooming in. That one's going up. 30-minute, 15-minute is up. 5 minutes up. 1 minute is consolidating. I kind of don't want this one because the daily is not going straight up. I want it to just go straight up, but this is not a bad trade. But I'm just gonna wait for. I'm gonna look for a better setup. Okay. I hate these planes. I'm outside working. Okay, USDCHF on a daily. We're on the down. 4 hour, we're going up. 30 hour down. 1 hour down. 15-minute down. 5 minute down. So you see everything is going down. Daily is going down 1 minute, but the 4 hour, actually it's going down. No, it's going up, but it looks like. So here's another thing. Okay, on the 4 hour, you see how it's kind of curving like this. The way you know where it's going, you look at the previous time frame. So this is giving you a picture of what the 1 hour is. So it's going down. All right. So yeah, this looks like something that I would go for, but I don't like CHF. I would rather just stick with JPYs because they usually move fast. CHF, you can be stuck in a trade all day. All right. Okay. You see the hook? So the end tip, we are on the uptrend. USD JPY on the uptrend. On the 4 hour. Oh, this one's good. See, uptrend. 30-minute. You see that? We're on the uptrend. Making sure y'all see this. As long as everything is going up on all time frames, I'm gonna place buy. So we got a 30-minute, 15-minute. Well, let me zoom in. Yep. See how you zoom out? It looks like it's kind of going sideways, but if you zoom in, you could actually see. Let's do a screenshot. You can actually see how it's curving upwards. So that's what we're looking at. So far, from the 15-minute all the way to the daily, we have an uptrend. 5-minute uptrend. 1 minute. Look at that. 1 minute is downtrend. But It's just a 1 minute. So if it doesn't matter, because if the 5 minute all the way to the daily is uptrend, then it's gonna go back up eventually. So I think this is a good candidate. So just to double check, I will go to USDJPY, USDJPY, and then I will look for any bullish momentum. Let me go to the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, it looks good to me. I mean, what am I looking at? I'm looking at the green Ichimoku cloud. I see the lagging indicator that's trending above. Let me show you right here. Yeah, so that's the lag indicator that's going up, and the candlesticks are above the Ichimoku cloud. That means I'm looking for buy signals. And you see this yellow line right here? That's a 200 EMA. So if the candlesticks are above that, that means it's a good sign that we're going to see more bullish momentum. Okay, so my trading view, of course, is my second analysis. But my main analysis, usually, once you see all the envelopes are all trending up, 99.9% of the time, you're going to be in profit. But sometimes there's that one time where there's news and all that, it will go reverse. That's why you set your stop loss. You know what I mean? But majority, you'll be profitable, So I'll do 5 trades of buys. Okay, so this is a one-click trading. This is a little feature, so you can just click on it, and then you could have multiple buys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see. All right, cool. And then what I'll do is I'll add 40 points. So the price that I bought is at around 144.790. So which means I add 40 points, 144.830. Okay, you see it's already going up. I mean, if you feel confident, you could probably go higher. You know what I mean? But just for training purposes, I'm just gonna do 830. 144.830. You see what I'm doing? Keeping it all the same. I mean, and then you just do this until you get to $200, and then you're done for the day. Because if you keep doing it all the time, all day, eventually you're gonna start losing the momentum. All right, so I got my TP, and then I want to subtract 200. So 144.792 is the starting price. Minus 200 is, I mean, you could do 150, whatever you prefer, but I just like to give it enough breathing room of a drawdown, just in case of whatever. So 144.792 is the starting price. Minus 200 is 144.592. Okay, TP. 144.592. All right. So I'm just copying, pasting the same same stop loss, okay? That's it. So this should give you about $10 to $20 profit, okay? So you do 5 trades of these every day, that's about $200, $250, But let's say you really feel confident, then you may want to increase the lot size and increase the points, okay? But you want to try to keep it as consistent as possible, because you're training yourself how to be consistent. You're not training how to make as much money as you can, okay? So if you lose on this one, you have all the other ones to make up for. So that's why I always say, whenever you pick, you got to be very picky on your trade. Don't just pick anything, because one mistake can make you lose, like, you know pretty much five other you make you lose like $200 you worked so hard for, okay, or more. So let's check this one. USD CAD daily. Let me see the daily. It is sideways. 4 hours up. One is, yeah, this one's not. It's kind of consolidating. I really want to look for like a good hook. See, this is a good hook. You see this? Hold on, let me show you. AUD USD. You see that little hook? See how it's like going down? That's what I'm looking for. I just need to go down just a little bit more to make profit. All right. So since AUD USD is giving me a hook where it's going towards the downtrend, I'm gonna look for more downtrend signal. Okay, it's going down. 1 hour, we're going down. 30-minute, it's kind of going sideways. You see that? 15 minutes going sideways. 5 minutes is going up. So this is not the right time to place a sell. I want to wait for the 5 minute, the 15 minute to go down as long. The bottom time frames, the 5 minute, the 15, and the 30 has to match the ones on the top. All right, so let's go to NZD, AUD, NZD. All right, down, 4 down, 1 hour down, 15. You see that? Everything is going down. The 5 minute. Yeah, so this is what I'm looking at. Every time frame is going down, So yeah, I think AUD, NZD is good to place a sell. But let me look at the trading view. Oops. AUD, NZD. AUD, NZD. All right, let's start with the daily. Let's start with the 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour. We can see there is. We see a red cloud. That's the Ichimoku cloud. We can see the red candlesticks. We could see how. Yeah, I mean, this right here looks like clearly. Let's go into 1 hour. Yeah, you can see the red Ichimoku cloud. Let's see this right here. So, and then you can see the candlesticks. The red candlesticks are below this Ichimoku cloud. So, yeah, AUD NZD. I think this would be good to place sells, especially all time frames are trending down. So let's do this again. 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Placed. Okay, one more. There we go. All right, and then same thing. 40 points for TP and 200 points for stop loss. So we're at 1.07545. That is the starting price. So the TP will be at 1.07505. Yeah. 1.07505. All right. And then just practice doing this all day. Do this for a couple weeks, a couple months, and you will be set. If you see any of them where you like really feel confident, instead of doing 0.5, you may want to do a 5 lot, 2 lots, 3 lots. But you got to be pretty sure it's going to hit profit. So, and that takes to experiencing and seeing these patterns over and over again. Okay, so for the stop loss, I want to add plus 200. So it's 745, 1.07745. there you go. And that's how you do it. Hopefully that helps.